Welcome to Lake Arrowhead! Oop. Hi, how are you doing? It's kind of nippy here in Lake Arrowhead. It's 9 degrees Celsius or like late 40s in Fahrenheit, but it's super beautiful. I'm shaking right now because there's a boat that passed by. I hope you keep in touch by liking and subscribing in this channel. Lake Arrowhead is such a beautiful spot. It was actually called Little Bear before, from this man who used to sell fur for his company. And then it was bought by Arrowhead Company, and now it's called Lake Arrowhead. In this video, you'll get to see Mom, Pops, and I in the Lake Arrowhead village, and we opted to stay here overnight at Lake Arrowhead Resort and Spa. It's so beautiful here. You have to see the room. Okay, let's go check in Lake Arrowhead Resort and Spa now. We actually booked this for Christmas Day, so our room cost us about nearly $400. I would highly recommend it for Christmas Day, but I must tell you that price is half of that when it's not Christmas. So if you just want to stay here and for a normal weekend or a weekday, I highly suggest it, and you would get it less than $200. As you have seen, the room is quite nice. The resort is quite nice. The only thing I could actually say was that if you book the bottom floor, you can hear noises upstairs. Lake Arrowhead is quite fun. They do have a lot of restaurants and shops. But during Christmas, McDonald's was the only one open, and this coffee shop. McDonald's forgot to give us napkin and ketchup. Welcome to McDonald's. You can walk around the dock and see some ducks. It's Christmas and COVID right now, so a lot of shops are closed. But when it's fully open, there are a bunch of restaurants there, not just McDonald's, and like dainty shops that are fun to go in, and also big shops. Of course, there's a market right there. This is a community with a lot of people, so it's really convenient if we're talking about market and all other things. There are activities here like riding the boat, kayaking, but right now, because of COVID, it's not available. Hopefully it will be soon and we'll be over this, right? That's it. I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoyed this Lake Arrowhead video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.